Wealth, abundance, and prosperity. I am the Curious Billionaire, and today we are going to be reawakening the DNA codes for your golden timeline. So, for you to understand this thoroughly, I want you to think about this, right? Our body is comprised of DNA. DNA is the information that our body carries. Okay, this can be from one lifetime to the next, and because of the can you guys not do that right now? Thanks. And because of the nature of our of living, you can only use the DNA that you want to use, the information that comes with it, and then it changes through lifetime based on the food that you eat. If you eat a cow, you will see that it transforms you. If you eat plants, they transform you. Every single thing that you do, if you listen to specific information, it transforms you. If you do specific, everything that you do shapes your reality. Therefore, it shapes your neurons. Therefore, some of your DNA or some of the neuron pathways can sleep and wait to be reawakened by specific information that you receive. So let me tell you a little story when I was a child. When I was a child, I could shift states when and whenever I wanted to. I was such a joyful person that I was like, how does it feel to be sad? And then I would try to make myself sad. I'll be like, what would be a sad thought? And then I would think sad things, and then I would be sad. And then I would be like, ew, I don't like this. And I'll be like, no, I'm going back to my joyful state. Because I could do that, I could shift state. It's a clear example that you can shift state, and the state that you're in can attract whatever that resonates with that state. So today's ancient light language and sacred geometry is to help you remove the part of you that think that you're a peasant, that act like a peasant, that facilitate itself like a peasant. You need to remember that we come beyond slavery. We are kings and queens. And you need to awaken the part of you that remembers that. Not, I'm going to start living like a king. You're going to remember your own empire. You're going to remember your own legacy that you have created before. We are eternal. And I want you to take this to Genesis. It's a book in the Bible, and it says that in the beginning there was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Meaning that everything that exists right now is coming from our tongue. It's not coming from the fact that we thought about it. It's coming from the fact that we spoke it with our tongue. So by speaking this light language, it's going to awaken your golden timeline. Your timeline where everything works out for you because it has already worked out for you. You can remember how to be well. You can remember how to live well. You can remember how to live like a king and a queen. So this peasantry mindset, this peasantry habits, and this peasantry spirituality, you're going to have to let go of living like a peasant. And I'm going to help you with this sacred geometry. O se gara ya kona isi ana seria sa ho seria se ke korea se hesi isi ana ho seria se kokona seria sa ha so seria kokona shiria ase ora si ara se kokona isi ana ha seria ho seria se ke kira seria ha seria se ke tenia si ana seria se ke si seria se ke ta uya seria na si siria ha seria ho siria taria ke ne seria kokonesia asi hasiri te kokoneshe seria se koko seria se kana haseria koko seria asi yo na seria sakate kona siara shikir seria ha seria se na seria te ko seria isi asia haseria koko sia si na si isi ki kuku isi ara se ki kore isi khara si kuteria ana si haseri ko shira sia hasereta asi ya ona koko seria koko seria se na haseria koko seria se keteria hasene haseria isi yo se keteria se kashe haseria se khara se kai shira se koko seria si seria tene asia ase ora se koko ne shira seria koko shira seria teria na kakana seria shiko seria se ke seria teria asi ara se ko to oshi isiria se hateria anna si asheka so kreste go sere shetria nana se hada secretary se shetria isi ore sere 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 se o sere se krisi o trio sere sere tria si hanasa isi ho seria se haseria se tria seria se uye si rase kukuria secretaria se kare sere sere Ase kokoria secretaria se kukuseria kokoria secretaria sekineseria se kukuria hasare hatari asiana haseria secretaria sekihiseria se hiseria se asahara seria hoseria se tetenesia kokone hesia secretaria sisera asi hase kotrine sisi kukuseria secretaria hasakra se kokokishera secretaria sisa isi huseria hase kokoseria se hatagaria sini siria se kategia ase hoseria hase ese secretary ese cosa yo kokosiasa isi oho seria nesi harata koko shera sa koko na hasa harasa ko teneshe hasara ya koko se hasi karate kana ashi asiarata kakashi rasia isi arasa ko nishi arasa kasu wase kasara tenese hesere se ko serata ya asina kuria se kate koko nashi karasa ka hasi karate ko oshina sara hasi kate ashina sia ini ho seria se hate koko nashi nese hesere te ko oshi seria se nasere kana hisere se korashia esa hala hasara hasara sara hati kita koko ria sa kati ya isere sera ini isi kutirie se que se hese karetana hasi haria koko nese hasera tikana se koko shira iso koko nasha hase karata kana se ko se treya gachi seresia ana koko shasa se karate kana se ona se karate ke osere se treya shena haserea isi ya kote nese ese krese otere ka shere se ko shere tre osere sere se otere yesene sere osere sene tre ase kote nere se ko se koko sere se ko se se kitene sire se ko sine sire kukosia ini azu tukotione se hako koreshe se kisia si kotenere se kosia asa kotere se konisi ese reso horsere se ne kosigria se kosia no así hace correr ese isi o koko konesi arase ko serese ke shirasita aya sa koko nese rese ke hisiria sa koshia isi ona serete konashi rasi karasera asere la koko ria senesi isi arase ko shishe serete ria sha aona ora se ke te ke nese se ko rese rese ko shiresena awe khare khserete ke koko serese rasha ine se ko isi secrete koko shirese ana isi eso koko reshi isi ese no ko resi asi asarate ko resi nese hasi kritira alla kako reste kreste koroko kreste con reste nese korse aya koko resti esi ola si kresti yeni si asi koko kresti nesi esi oko si asi hala ka alla gisi kreste reste gine se hese reste kreste usi hisi kriya sa kao na se kike se reke se kakaresi oko kresti aya kresti nana koko resti ana koko resti hala kareha si kene se eresi hana irisi esi kuku irese que rese kisi nese que kokorese ki kasere ya ani isi kuku rese ki kokorese nase isi lese korese nese rea ana isi kreste que kokorese kreste nase kreste kuku se krese que esre la harisia. Remember, our first language is frequency and energy.